Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the military mom coming to you from the Operations Center. And I really need to go on a bag ban. And I will. Okay, it's done. Let's get on to the unboxing, shall we? This is an item that I picked up from eBay, and this is how the seller packaged it. There is no weather protection in this bag. This is a Dooney and Bourke item, NWT, and I do have to say, if the seller had put this bag in some kind of weather protection, it would have been packaged beautifully. So here is my new Dooney and Bourke summer bag. Summer is not over. We still have all of August and most of September. So I have bought myself another summer item. And let me just show you the tag. In case you are interested in this bag. And I have to tell you all the story behind this bag. I probably should have pulled out my other bag before I started filming. Hold on. This bag is sort of a sister bag to one of my favorite bags, which is this one. And I have been looking for this bag in this silhouette with these multicolored DBs, and the closest I came was at Macy's. Macy's had this bag, but the background was white and the DBs were not multicolored. The DBs were all navy blue. And I kept going back and forth with that bag. I would put it in my cart and look at it and take it out because it wasn't exactly what I wanted. I love the multicolored DBs. So this came up, and as my mother would have said, I jumped on it with both feet because it is a white background with the multicolored DBs with the quilting Saffiano handles. She has feet. She does have the center zip, but she was brand new with tags. You can see the Dooney and Bourke tissue paper there, and of course the tag on the back. She is in pristine condition because she is brand new. She has knob feet embedded in the leather straps, and I always talk about how I don't baby my bags, but you guys, this might be one that I have to baby because she is Jacquard. She's cotton Jacquard and she's white. She's not coated yet. I do love her handles though because they are brown and they might patina. I'm not sure, but I may have to give this one a little TLC. I don't see myself carrying this bag a lot, but when I found it, I was just like, oh yeah, that has to come to the Duck's Nest because after all, it is in my beloved Dooney and Bourke signature. So let me just remove the stuffing so that I can give you a tour of the interior. comes with her own silica packets. And here's the interior. Here is the center zip. And here is the back wall. So this is SDS, standard Dooney setup, because on one wall there is a zip and a slip that is collared in Saffiano. And then on the other wall is the slip collared in Saffiano. And then the center zip is also collared in Saffiano. Here are her D-rings for the shoulder strap. And I do think that you can go short shoulder with this. Hold on, let me check that out. Maybe not. Okay. Maybe you can't go short shoulder. Or maybe you can. Let me see. This is going to be real short shoulder. But there it is. As short shoulder. And I am really unprepared today because the other contrast I wanted to show you is up on the shelf. All right, so here is the, of course, webbed key keeper. She is Brielle, so she has a magnetic snap and just a great size. Sorry if you all hear the lawnmower, but let me grab okay, sorry about that. What I wanted to do was to grab the small double-handled tote and show you all the difference between the center zip for those of you who like a center zip. All right, so the center zip on this bag is a little more stiff, and I think it has to do with this texture. I think the material is a bit more hardy than the material, because you can see this is a lot more thin. Can you, let's see. There's a braided zipper pull, and I think that this still has, yeah, it still has the stuffing, the Dooney and Bourke paper. So you'll see how flexible that center zip is compared to the center zip on the double handle small tote. This is a lot less flexible than this one. Versus, and I can tell you honestly, I prefer the material in the interior in the double handle tote compared to the material in the interior of this Brielle. But the bag is so doggone cute that I just have to live with that. It's not really a hindrance because my wristlet will fit on either side, and then the cosmetic case will go on the other side so it won't throw the bag out of balance. I may not even use that center zip, but I guess Dooney put it there because this bag doesn't have any exterior pockets, and maybe that was their compensation. I don't know. Maybe they decided that there would be too much room in this bag without a center zip. Who knows why they decided to do a center zip in either of these bags. But just wanted to show you what I found, and I am so happy because, of course, this is an addition to my signature collection for Dooney and Bourke. So there you have it, handbaggers. And I will probably come on later once I have carried her with, you know, what she holds, how she behaves, how I had to baby her, and of course, I love the rolled handles. Thank you all for dropping by the Duck's Nest, and as always, happy carrying.